Hello everyone, thank you for joining my tutorials. Today we'll learn how we can prepare drainage density map or stream density map. So to prepare a drainage density map, we have a watershed map and also stream order. You can able to see here there are streams. If I will show you the attribute table, now you can able to see here grid codes showing that it is having a streams. If I will show you all the stream orders, then you can able to appreciate. So these are the 5 stream orders, and now we want to prepare a drainage density map. So to prepare a drainage density map, what we need, a formula of drainage density is mostly total stream length of all order divided by area of the basin. So this is area of the basin. Okay, so this watershed, you can able to see watershed, and this is our streams. So we are going to prepare, these are the total length of all the stream divided by area of the basin. So to prepare this map, what we'll do, I will take this R toolbox. Okay, here are the red color, there is R toolbox. After that I will click on the spatial analysis tool. After clicking on the spatial analysis tool, there is a option density. In density there is option line density. So I will double click on line density. After that, input polyline feature. So input polyline feature is our streams. So I will take these streams. After that, population field will select grid code. So that is our stream order. This first order, second order, third order. After that, output location means where we want to save this. So I will save by default folder. Okay. After that, what is the unit you want? Area unit. So I want in square kilometer. So I will select square kilometer here. If you want to change something, you can select that also. After that, we need our drainage density map or stream density map equal to this much of area. So we need to set an environment. So I will select an environment. There is a processing extent. Here I will select extent is up to my watershed. Okay. Below I will come. There is an option that is a raster analysis. In raster analysis, here mask option I will select as a watershed. Then I will click on OK. And now I will click on OK again. When I will click on OK, after that our stream density map will prepare. So within a minute you can able to see our stream density map is prepared here. So I will right click, I'll click on the properties. So I will make 5 classes out of it, and I will select a color from here, and now I'll click on apply. So now you can able to see our stream density map is ready. So suppose this much of number we don't want, we want to show it only in 3 digit or 4 digit, then I will click on label, then click on formats. Here I will select a 3 digit I want only. I will click on apply and OK. Now you can able to see it's on 3 digit. So now again I will right click properties. So I want to give hillshade effect to it. So use hillshade effect. If you want to increase the Z value, you can increase from here 4, 5, apply and OK. So now our drainage density map is ready.